This RYOBI ONE Plus 18-volt drill and driver has plenty of power for everyday home projects, easily handling wood, plastic, and light metal work without bogging down. The 2-speed transmission and multiple clutch settings give you fine control, so you can sink screws cleanly without stripping heads or overdriving into softer materials. Its 1/2-inch keyless chuck grips bits securely and makes bit changes quick, which is especially handy when switching between drilling pilot holes and driving fasteners. The built-in work light does a good job of brightening dim corners and indoor spaces, making it easier to drill accurately in cabinets, attics, or basements. The included 18-volt lithium-ion battery with fuel gauge and matching charger integrates smoothly into the wider ONE Plus system, so you can share power packs across other RYOBI tools. Overall build quality feels solid in the hand, with a comfortable grip and a manufacturer warranty that adds confidence for regular do-it-yourself use.